The wait is finally over. Apple is about to change everything again. Forget everything you think you know about foldable phones, because if the latest leaks are true, the iPhone Fold isn't just another experiment. It's the next big revolution in smartphones. Apple isn't entering the foldable game to join the trend. They're entering to completely dominate it. And this time, every competitor, from Samsung to Google, should be watching closely. For years, we've all seen what foldable phones can do. They look futuristic, they feel exciting, but they've always carried two huge problems: weak battery life and that annoying crease across the middle of the screen. It's what keeps most people from actually switching to a foldable device. You pay a premium price, and you still end up staring at a visible line on the display and worrying if your battery will survive the day. But Apple seems ready to end those compromises once and for all. According to multiple new reports coming from reliable leak sources, Apple's first foldable iPhone, rumored to be called the iPhone Fold, is currently being tested with a massive 5,500 milliamp hours battery. Yes, you heard that right. 5,500 milliamp hours. That's the largest battery ever tested in an iPhone. For comparison, even the upcoming iPhone 18 Pro Max is said to feature a 5,200 milliamp hours battery. So, this is a serious power jump. This tells us one clear thing: Apple isn't messing around. They know foldable phones demand more energy, and they're determined to make battery life a headline feature, not a complaint. Think about it. Larger screens, higher brightness, dual displays, and powerful multitasking. All of that drains battery in most foldables within hours. People love the innovation, but hate the trade-offs. Apple's goal seems to be creating a foldable phone that actually lasts all day, even under heavy use. And if they pull it off, it could be the first foldable device that finally feels complete. Not a prototype, not a gimmick, but a true flagship. But that's not the only issue Apple plans to fix. The biggest challenge every foldable brand still faces is the crease. That visible line in the middle of the screen. It's the constant reminder that foldable technology isn't quite perfect yet. Samsung improved it, Google tried to hide it, Oppo refined it slightly, but none could eliminate it completely. Apple, however, appears to be tackling this problem with a completely new display design and hinge system. Some leaks even suggest a near crease-free experience. If that's true, we might be seeing the first foldable phone in history that genuinely looks seamless when opened. Imagine watching videos, reading content, or editing photos on a fully flat, uninterrupted screen. That alone could make every other foldable look outdated overnight. But the upgrades don't stop there. Apple seems to be redesigning the hinge mechanism from scratch, focusing on long-term durability and smooth folding motion. One major issue with early foldables was loosened hinges over time or noticeable wobble after months of use. Apple's Foldable is reportedly reinforced with new materials in the chassis and frame to ensure it stays tight, solid, and premium for years. They're also fine-tuning small but meaningful ergonomics like repositioning the volume buttons higher on the body so they feel natural even when the device is unfolded, a minor change that can make a big daily difference. Apple's rumored design philosophy for the iPhone Fold targets 3 goals: unstoppable all-day battery life, unmatched durability, and a cleaner, more immersive display experience. The company has a history of entering markets late, not to follow trends, but to redefine them. Think about the Apple Watch, AirPods, or even the first iPhone. None were first in their category, but all became the standard everyone else began to follow. The foldable iPhone might just repeat history. And what's fascinating is that Apple isn't rushing this product. The steady flow of leaks and internal test reports suggest this project has been years in the making, engineered, tested, and perfected behind closed doors. Apple isn't interested in being first, they want to be the best. And their deliberate pace shows confidence that when the iPhone Fold arrives, it'll launch with a level of polish that instantly sets it apart from every competitor on the market. Picture this: a sleek, modern iPhone that unfolds into a tablet-like canvas, offering unbelievable performance, long-lasting battery, and zero visible crease. Photos and videos look stunning. Games run smoother than ever. Multitasking becomes natural with iOS optimized for dual-screen dynamics. And all of it comes wrapped in that signature Apple feel of hardware perfection. It's not just about folding a phone. It's about blending form, function, and innovation in a way only Apple can. The real question now is, would you switch? Would you leave behind your traditional iPhone for a foldable version if it finally gets everything right? Battery life, durability, and display quality? Some users might still be skeptical, arguing foldables are a solution to a problem that never existed. But for others, especially those who love cutting-edge design and power efficiency, the iPhone Fold could be the dream device they've been waiting for. Personally, I think Apple's foldable has the potential to disrupt the market completely. If it truly launches with a 5,500 milliamp hours battery and crease-free display, this won't just be another iPhone. It will mark a new chapter in smartphone evolution. Apple might be the only brand capable of making foldable phones go mainstream. Once people see a flawless design that actually performs like a regular iPhone with extra flexibility, the floodgates could open. Whether it comes this year or next, one thing is clear. The iPhone Fold looks like it's finally real, and it could be Apple's most daring and transformative product since the first iPhone. So stay tuned, because what's coming next might just fold the future in half. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.